Hello guys, welcome to PC Knowledge, and this is Ryan. Today we are going to see how to create a GitHub repository. Okay, first things first. Open your browser, and in a new tab, just you need to write GitHub. Smaller. GitHub. If you have GitHub ID, that's fine. If you don't have any GitHub ID, that means you have to create a GitHub ID. So I have already created a GitHub ID. That means I have already a GitHub ID. That's why my interface looks like this. Maybe your interface is something different. I have a lot of exist repository. That's why it's look like this. Okay, our topic is creating new repository. Okay, that means we have some code in our local, and we're going to create a repository on GitHub, and we will try to push that code from local to our GitHub. For that reason, we need to create a GitHub repository. You can click on this new button. Also, you can do another way. That one is you may here in your profile. So what will you do? You can drop down new repository, click on new repository. See, create a new repository. This is the interface. See, and there are two types of repository you can create. One is public, one is private. Which code you can show everyone, you can choose this one. If you have any private code, you will choose this one. Okay, but first things first, we are going to name php_la. You can choose which one is suitable for you. One thing you have to keep in mind that all of the letter will be smaller. If needed, you can underscore. You can use underscore. That's it. You can write a description. In this case, narrowcast. I don't know. Okay, wait for a second. I'll be back. This is our code, local code. We are going to upload this code to GitHub. Okay, that's it. This is our okay, that's it. You can write your description and choose public. I'm going to public. That's it. And initiate. You can change everything after creating this. Okay, just click on create repository. It will create a repository for you. This is your information. My one is SSIs supported. When you're first time using, that means you have HTTPS support. That's not a problem actually. What have I done? I have done a step. That one is in our VS Code. I have just run this code, git init. That means this one is now ready to connect your GitHub repository. Git init. See, so you need to commit. Second step is you need to add. Okay, how will you add? You can choose readme, but we are not going to choose that part. We are just follow me. Git add, sorry, dot. That means all of the files. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It can be 10, 20, 100, 1000, any amount of file can be in your repository, local repository. Just you need to write dot, enter. All of the code has been added. See, you need to write your comment. It can be your first commit PHP practice, enter. Wait, write anything, enter. Git, sorry, you have follow some step, you have comment. That one is done. You can choose this one, right? Okay, we are following this. Copy that code and enter here. See, before it was master, now it's main. No problem, just you need to follow those steps. Copy and paste it in your command line, enter. That means this is your remote address. This is your remote address for, in your GitHub. And another step is you have to push origin name. That's it. Finally, you have pushed all of the code in your GitHub. That means which file you're looking here, all of the code that pushed to your GitHub repository. See, wait, see, you just need to reload this page. All of the code now on your GitHub. See, it's now connected. If you change anything, everything will be work perfectly. That means you have chosen books. This is our filter, maybe. Okay, wait for now. Okay. If you change anything, so how will it work? I'm just showing a single step. Others, you'll Google it and learn it. Okay, you have changed a little bit. Just you need to go to your terminal. Just you need to write. Just you're cleaned. Whenever you change something in your code, just you need to write git status. See, you have changed this file name. See, this file name. Just you need to add this file name, git add. Copy this file name and paste it here. Git commit. You just need to write your what you have changed in your code. I have changed my author name. Okay, Git. Done. That's it. Finally, you have pushed your code from your local to live. I think this tutorial will help you to use your GitHub repository and handle. In future, we will make more tutorials on GitHub. Till then, stay with us, stay happy coding.